Hey guys, what's up? How are you? Hope that you guys are having an amazing one today. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gerel, and in today's video we are going to be doing my Sephora haul. These are the products that I got during the sale, and some of them, okay, I didn't get it during the sale, but we're still going to haul it. And I also have one product that I did not purchase directly from the Sephora website, but you can actually get it on the Sephora website. Anyways, that is a lot of information and really is irrelevant because you can actually get every single product that I'm going to share with you guys today on the Sephora website. But I am going to be linking everything down below, so let's go ahead and get into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. You can also like and comment down below because that definitely helps out my channel so much. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is my second time filming this video because I filmed it on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and yesterday I was going to edit that video, but then when I checked the footage, the audio is completely gone just because I forgot to change the battery for my microphone that I usually wear with me, so I went back to my old microphone. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this haul before my husband gets home. The first product that I wanted to share with you guys is this right here. This I got prior to the sale because I thought that I was going to have enough time in my life to actually do some looks for you guys, review it for you guys, but unfortunately I was not able to. Still going to do that video. That is my next video that I am going to be working on and creating some looks with this new Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette. Packaging wise is absolutely beautiful. The color story is absolutely gorgeous, really nice, beautiful color story for sure. So I cannot wait to actually try this palette for you guys, create some looks. I know that there's so many reviews out there, but why not just add mine to the mix and also give you some inspiration and some look ideas so you guys can create them as well. It is so sad that it's the last big palette that she's given us, but at the same time I'm really excited to see what she is going to come up with, maybe smaller palettes, something like that. So really excited for that. The next product that I got is this one right here, which is he's here. I lost mine, which is the vanilla beige. I lost it completely. I was so sad, but then when I saw this little kid, I'm like, okay, that is the reason of why I need to purchase it. And my daughter absolutely loved the lip balms for Summer Friday, so I just got two of them, one for me and one for her. My husband actually went to pick them up because they didn't have it at my store anymore. They were actually sold out, so I went ahead and just purchased it online to a store near to where he works, and he was able to pick it up for me, no problem, which it was so nice that I didn't have to go. The next product that I have is this, which is a repurchase for me. This is something that I repurchase over and over again just because it works for my skin so well, especially for moisturizing my skin during the daytime. If you already have been here for a while, you already know which skincare I'm going to mention, but it's this one right here from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I changed the packaging. It looks so much bigger than what it was before because it actually has the product right inside, so you can just go ahead and get the refillable and you know, don't have to purchase the whole entire thing anymore, which is really nice for our environment. I thought that was really thoughtful, and I am super excited that it's back into my... He's here! He's here, guys. I did end up picking up the foundation from One Side, which I am so happy and so excited to actually use and do a wear test for you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys were excited for this new foundation from One Side. I know that we have gotten so many reviews. Again, I'm still going to review it just because I do so many foundation reviews here in my channel, like wear tests and all of that. I am 44 years old, so I do have some oils in my T-zone. I do have a little bit of discoloration, sunspots, and the pores are definitely being a little bit more emphasized than usual just because, you know, we're aging, our skin changes. So for that and for that alone, I'm definitely going to be doing a review for this foundation from One Side. And I also got the sponge along with the foundation, which I'm really excited to try to see how the texture is and how it actually works with this foundation. So you are definitely going to be seeing a wear test on that foundation for sure. But because I just mentioned the pores, you know, they're not looking as best, I decided to get this Caudelie mask right here, which I am really excited because it had so many great reviews, and this one is called the Mask Instant Detox. So I'm thinking that it's going to really be able to like clean my pores and like just give me, you know, a brand new skin. That's what I'm thinking. I decided to get this primer. I was not going to get it just because I do have so many primers in my collection, but man, I'm telling you, so many reviews, so many people on all these social medias really were like hyping this primer up from Huda Beauty. This is the Easy Blur primer, and it was just like, okay, enough is enough. I need to test it for myself. Again, the pores have been pouring lately, so I want something that is going to give me like a flawless canvas, and this is supposed to do that. So here is the packaging for the Easy Blur primer. I do have the foundation. I also did a whole entire review on that foundation, if I recall well, but I did not use the primer because I didn't really think that I needed it. But you know, the hype was real and people make me buy it. So yeah, so I end up getting this little set right here because they did not have like the individual blades, which I already have a razor that I have been having for so many years. You just need to buy the blades, but they didn't have it at the store, and I really needed some blades, some new blades. So I purchased this one. This one is from Sephora. I used it today to shave my whole entire face, and it worked just fine. It's a little bit of a lighter weight to the hand comparing it to the one that I already have. I don't know, I just like it. I feel like it's, you know, the real thing. These ones right here are good, but they're disposable. I mean, I don't want to do that. I just rather buy the individual blades, so I'm going to have to order that online. So I went ahead and purchased another lip liner from Makeup by Mario. I have been using the shade in Milk Chocolate so much, and this one I really have not been giving it any love. And this one is in the shade Spice Chai, which is more of a cooler brown. Well, actually no, it's more like, yeah, more like a neutral brown. I do want to get more lip liners from Makeup by Mario, so maybe for the next sale. So the formula is super easy, super creamy, really easy for you to feather it in with your lip liners. Like it's just so workable, and I absolutely love that so much, and love the shades and the formula a lot lately, especially with the Milk Chocolate one. I have been using that one so much, and now I'm going to add this one into the mix. I also went ahead and purchased the Hourglass. These ones are the Volumizing Glossy Balms, and I had two shades already like set for me to purchase, but then I actually saw them in person and I completely changed my mind because those were like more spring tones, like spring vibes. So I decided to switch the ones that I originally had on my list and decided to get the shade in Trace, which is 105, and Desire, which is 110. Desire is more of a cool tone pink, and Trace is more of a brownie tone, like similar to this one right here. Let me just swatch them for you guys. So this one is Trace, and this one is Desire, which is more of a pinky mauvey tone. I mean, they're sheer. There you go. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but really nice and beautiful. I actually want to swatch the shade that I do have on my lips right now. Okay, so this one is the one that I have on my lips today, which is the shade in 15, Candy Glaze. No, and this one is definitely more rosy tone versus Trace does have a little bit more of a brown tone. It could be actually a little bit similar to Desire. Yeah, really nice, beautiful consistency for the Hourglass. I'm really excited. I love that formula, like where it's like glossy lip balm, but it actually gives you a little bit of color. Love that so much because it actually fills in the lines and it makes the lips look really nice and plumpy and youthful, which, you know, who doesn't want that, right? We have the Giorgio Armani Blush. Now, I decided to go and get this berry shade because I think it is so beautiful for this time of year. And this one is in the shade Intense Berry. I have heard nothing but great things when it comes to this formula right here from Giorgio Armani. So I was really excited to actually purchase it and try it. And this is the color that I have in mind, like something cranberry berry, so beautiful. So that is the shade Intense Berry. Super excited for this one. Product is from Makeup by Mario, and this is in the shade Berry Punch. Again, looking for that berry, and this formula I already love and adore so much. It is going to be a little bit more of a sheer version of this shade right here, as you can see. Oh my goodness, but I am so excited for this one. And the last product that I purchased was not directly from the Sephora website, but you can actually find it on the Sephora website. It is the Patrick Ta Duo. I purchased it directly from his website, and I actually used the code and I was able to get 2 free things, which is the brow wax in the darker shade, and I also got the brow pencil, which I'm really excited because I've never tried the brow pencil before. The brow wax, I have tried it and I really do like it, but it has been a while since I actually used it, so I'm happy that I have a new one and fresh one. And of course the duo, which is the most exciting thing for me. I got 3 shades, which is Still at the Club, Do You Know Who I Am, and Talk to My Team. I have not swatched them, play with them, or anything like that. Again, I have to do this video in order for me to be able to be okay in my mind to actually play with it. So it does have like a shift to it of a golden and pink shade, and this one is more of a champagne pinky shade. This one is Do You Know Who I Am, which is more of a golden shade. I wanted to get the one that is the silver and gold, but because of the silver one, I already have that in like the Diamond Bond from Fenty Beauty. I could not get myself to purchase that one, and the gold is just so gold for me. So I mean, even though that's the one that I have been really seeing everyone using, I might just end up getting it. But anyways, and this one right here, which I think is going to be my favorite, which is in the shade Still at the Club. Look at that. That is just cool tone, brownie, delicious kind of eyeshadow. So nice. So I'm really, really excited now that I did this haul, that I get to play with a lot of new things. I get to incorporate new items in future videos for you guys. But yeah, guys, that is it for this Sephora haul. I hope that it was entertaining for you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what did you guys get, or what was your favorite product that you actually got from the Sephora sale. Let's go ahead and talk beauty and makeup products down in the comment section, because that is always fun for me. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love, your time, and support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, and I will see you next time.